Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money on FlexJobs. Let's begin. Making money on FlexJobs involves leveraging the platform to find remote, flexible, and freelance job opportunities. Now, FlexJob is very different because they offer higher quality listings. That means they only post legit jobs, no ads, scams, or junk to sift through, because they have a dedicated team to spend 200 plus hours a day verifying every job. And from here, you have unlimited job search resources. You have full access to all features, including the unlimited jobs, article skill test. And of course, you can just go straight from job listings to applications. All right. Now, the first step that we are going to do, if you haven't already, is to create a strong profile. All right. So let's click on the sign up. And from here, you can sign up today to start your job search. And remember that you need to fill out all sections of your profile, including work experience, skills, education, and certifications, if that's applicable. But for now, this is going to be the beginning page, wherein you just have to provide all the information here and click on sign up today. Now, once you are here on the account settings, when you click the join FlexJobs now option, you would be directed to this specific page wherein you are required to have these options. All right. You'll have the 14-day full access for $2.95. That's going to be 14 days. And of course, you can find and apply to the best remote jobs in 50 plus categories, part-time or full-time, it doesn't matter. You can explore opportunities near you or anywhere in the world. And you can also have the access for the 3-month full access. You can find and apply to the best remote jobs in 50 plus categories. And again, that's going to be $9 per month. But what I suggest for you, since you are just new here in FlexJobs, is to avail the annual full access, because that's going to be relatively cheap. That's $5 per 95 month. But you save 77%, because this is what I did. I availed this. All right. And again, full access. And the good thing about it is if you're not happy with it, there's a money back guarantee. All right. Now, when you click on continue right here, you can simply utilize the search tools, because from here you can search the filters to narrow down job listings based on your skills. All right. For example, we're going to look for our remote work. All right. Remote jobs. And of course, you can look for your industry, job type, like freelance, part-time or full-time, and your work schedule. Of course, you can also check in for the location. Say I'm around in New York. And type in enter. What will happen is you would be able to see all of these, like 1 to 50 or 14,000 remote jobs only in New York. All right. So you have an option to filter out the some settings here. You can get for like 100% remote work, a hybrid remote work, an option for remote work, or no remote work. Now, for job type, are you looking for employee, freelance, or temporary? And for schedule, it's going to be full-time, part-time, flexible schedule, all, or alternative schedule. You can also choose for the entry level, experience, managerial, and senior level manager. Now, when you click on the more filters here, as you can see, there's a lot that you can choose from. You can choose like no education specified, associate's degree, bachelor's, master's, and doctorate. For travel, is it going to be no, yes, and no specification? For a category, so these are your options. You can also go for accolades and for the title. Now, I'm going to search for now for the remote. Say, for example, this one. When you click on the remote option here, now when you click on a specific job posting, say, for example, the database reliability engineer 2 or the director remote consulting, as you can see, there are blurred out information. And before you can check on the information here, to get full access, you need to click on this option, and you would be directed to the payment plans as well. All right. Remember, you need to have, if I were you, I'm going to take advantage of the 14-day full access. Because again, if you are unhappy for any reason during the 14 days, like here, you can contact the FlexJob support staff, and they'll be more than glad to refund your money. All right. Now, if you click on this option here, there's going to be more options like this one, the career advice. Right. Now, they have a tool that says career coaching. When you click on this one, all right, now it's up to you to find the niche or the jobs that you wanted to apply for. And when you hover down below, there's going to be a lot of resources for you to check from. Say, for example, you can look for the stay-at-home jobs for moms and dad, side hustle jobs from home, work from home jobs no experience, and legitimate work from home jobs. Now, let me click on this specific area, work from home jobs no experience. What will happen is, as you can see, these are free tools that you can access. You can watch the YouTube video. These are some of the jobs that you can apply to. Of course, there are some remote jobs hiring now, and there's a lot, right? Now, when you click again on find a remote job, what will happen is you will be directed to the same page earlier. You can browse jobs, work anywhere again from the US, or work from anywhere in the world. So you are not limited alone if you're not residing in the US. That's okay, because just click from work from anywhere in the world. And from here, we're going back to where we started from. And again, when we hover down below, if you have more questions about how FlexJobs work, I believe you need to click on the contact us option. But this is the most important tool that I have discovered in the FlexJobs, because the resume builder, you can simply import existing resume and you can build your resume. Now, for example, I already have my resume here on the Canva. So what I'm going to do right now is, of course, to download a copy of it and save it to my computer so I can upload it on the FlexJobs. I can have it like PNG, PDF, and JPEG. And after saving it, I'm going to upload it on the FlexJobs platform. Just wait for it a little bit, because you will be directed here. You can drag and drop the file. Of course, they accept the doc, PDF, and a lot more. Of course, you have a Google Drive link or Dropbox, just link it here. And if you don't want to drag and drop your file, you can also click on Browse to search for the directory, or you can even build a new resume. Let's try the drag and drop file for now. And from here, we have successfully imported our resume. And you can continue or you can skip for now. And again, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions here. You can also choose the resume templates if you wanted, but you can choose later. Skip for now. And voila. Now, for motivation, I suggest you go to the success stories, wherein these are the testimonials from normal people who had accomplished a lot and got a gig here on FlexJobs, right? If this is not more than enough for you to sign in on the subscription plan and avail the perks and advantages so that you can start earning money here on FlexJobs. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.